We have a question here. It's a question on indices, exponential equation. It's a question from the NECO 2025 Mathematics question, and it's a theory question 2B. The question: solve for x if 25 raised to power 3x plus 2 is equals to 5 raised to power 2x plus 2. Now, this question is on exponential indices or exponential equation. To solve this problem here, would ensure that this 25 we have at the left hand side here and we have 5 at the right hand side here, we ensure that they have the same base. That is, we can write 25 to be the same thing as 5 raised to power 2. So by doing that, that means we replace it. We have 5 raised to power 2 bracket 3x plus 2 equals 5 raised to power 2x plus 1. Now, having this, what do we do in this case? Since they have the same common base, what do? We equate the power. That is, since base are equal, that is, they have the same common base, what do? We equate the power. Equate the power. When we equate the power, we have 2 open bracket 3x plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. Then this is going to give us, by the time we remove the bracket, we have 6x. 2 times 3x will give us 6x plus 2 times 2, 4. And this gives us 2x plus 1. The next thing we do is we collect like terms. When we collect like terms, we have 6x plus 4 equals 2x plus 1. So collecting that, I have 6x minus 2x equals 1 minus 4. Then 6x minus 4 is going to give us 4x, and this is going to give us minus 3. What do we do here? We need to get our x, and x has a coefficient of 4, so we divide both sides by 4. So we have 4x all over 4 is equals to minus 3 all over 4. Then it's going to give us x equals minus 3 all over 4. So the value, the question has to solve for x, so x is equals to 3 over 4.